Alright, so once you're on the site, it's super simple. Just connect your wallet, type in the name, symbol, description. I'm just going to be doing demo for this. Keep the supply and decimals at the preset if you want the most profit. Super simple, just add any other socials or logo you want. But this is the most important part. If you do not want your coin to be sniped or bought by bots or anything like that, you must revoke all authorities. In the long run, this is going to give you the most profit. So click create coin and boom. Open this in a new tab, click add liquidity, select your token. It's best to hold 90%. If you do 100%, no one can buy your coin. And then this is the custom amount that you want. So for this, I'll just do 0.5. Add liquidity. It's super simple, guys. When you're ready to sell, all you do is come to the manage liquidity, click sell. It's a custom slider. Sell. And boom. Goes straight to your Phantom wallet.